Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to unlock Cash App Green status. To unlock this status we need to uh, open our Cash app and we're gonna click in this area right here, in this icon right here. We're gonna see this option called Green status, so we're gonna click this, and right here you have the option to unlock the green card, the green status. So to unlock this, you need to know some information before proceed to unlock. The first information you need to know is this. To get your green status, you need to spend a certain amount of money in paycheck, or you need to spend money in your Cash App card. So once you have done this, you can unlock your code, your green status. So it's really easy to do. I hope this video was helpful. Please comment and subscribe.